Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a butterfly makeup tutorial inspired by this headband, and if you want to see how I do my face, definitely check out my color correcting and foundation routine in the down bar. My lips are super dry, so I'm just going to apply the Laurent Orchid lip oil and just kind of prep my lips with that before I dive into the rest of my makeup. I am mainly going to be using the Creative Me 1 palette by Coastal Scents, and I'm taking this gorgeous pink on a Morphe M408 and just starting to pop that on the inner corner and blending it across. I'm going for an ombre effect. And then next I'm going to take the next lightest purple and pop that on kind of the middle to outer corner. Now I'm taking this darker purple on a BH Cosmetics number 3 brush and popping that into the outer corner and blending it up into my crease and just kind of trying to make a very smooth transition here. Then on an Elizabeth Mott blending brush, I'm using this lighter blue to kind of blend out the top of that purple up towards my eyebrow. And then blending everything together, this is the Sigma Tapered Blending E40 brush, and just really making sure that I've got a very, very smooth transition everywhere. For highlight, I'm taking this pale pink foil from the BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes 28 color palette and popping that under my eyebrow and on the inner corner of my eye. For my lower lash line, I'm taking this dark blue on a Coastal Scents BRC N01 tiny little brush and just blending that into my lashes. And then I'm going to kind of blend that out with a little bit of the darker purple as well to kind of make it cohesive. This is Sea Siren from the Stila Liquid Shadows, and I love this part. I'm just popping this all over my eye with kind of an angled synthetic Coastal Scents brush and literally just kind of doing like a faux cut crease with this. Love it. I'm going to use Sex Kitten by Tarte, and this is a super black liner, and I'm going to pop this on my waterlines to kind of darken up my eyes. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara and just putting on one coat because I am using falsies today as well. And while I wait for my lashes to dry a little, I'm using the Benefit Gimmie Brow Mascara in the shade 03, just kind of plumping up my brows. I was riding the struggle bus, so I don't have any footage of me putting on these lovely iconic London lashes, but that's what I used. And then I'm going to bronze with the NYX Cosmetics Highlight and Contour Pro Kit to get some color back in my face. For blush, I'm using this gorgeous pink shade Culture from the Tarte Color Wheel and just popping that on the apples of my cheeks with this little e.l.f. brush. And then using the highlight right out of the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Kit, and this is just a little Coastal Scents setting brush. This is the m.a.c Lipglass in Impassioned, and this is what I originally wanted to use, and then I kind of realized it's way too dark, so what I actually do is kind of blot it off and then go back in with the Laurent Orchid lip oil. So this is the final finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this fun, springy sort of butterfly inspired makeup tutorial. If you did, please like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and then check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.